Hi, I'm Jane Betteridge and I've created this painting as part of the SAA's Paint a Poppy Challenge. You can get involved and help us raise money for the Royal British Legion by painting your own poppy too. Paint, donate, remember.
To join in, simply paint or draw your poppy on a square of paper using any medium you choose. Each entry will be part of our special exhibition to commemorate the end of the First World War. And if you can, we ask that you make a donation to support the vital work of the Royal British Legion. Join with us and paint a poppy to say thank you to the courageous men and women who served and sacrificed for our country. Paint, donate, remember. For more information, visit saa.co.uk/poppy.